How to fix YouTube thumbnail upload error. So first of all, you're going to check your file size and your format. Just make sure that your custom thumbnail image is saved as JPEG or PNG or GIF and is strictly under 2 MB. The YouTube Studio iOS app will fail to upload your image and show a generic error if the file size exceeds 2 MB or if it's saved in Apple's HEIC photo format. Another thing is to verify your account verification. Custom thumbnails require a verified YouTube channel. So if you see an error saying custom thumbnails are logged, open Safari on your phone. And then from Safari, what you're going to do is you're just going to go to youtube.com/verify. And then you're just going to hit on enter. And then you're going to complete the SMS phone number verification that will come up here. Next, you're going to check your daily limits. YouTube enforces a daily limit on custom thumbnail uploads for security. So if you receive an error stating you've reached your daily limit, you simply have to wait 24 hours before uploading a new thumbnail. Next is to upload via Safari desktop mode. So last but not least, if the YouTube Studio mobile app keeps freezing during upload, just go to Safari and then you're going to go to studio.youtube.com. And then you're going to hit on enter. Once you're in here, you're going to tap on the double A button in the address bar, which is right here. And then from there, you're going to tap on the 3 dots icon. And then you're just going to click on request desktop website. Uploading through full desktop mode in Safari easily bypasses mobile app glitches. And that's it. That is how we're going to fix YouTube thumbnail upload error. If this video helped you or if you are interested, I have linked the product link down below.